This tutorial will show you how to make Explain Everything slideshows and then export them to Dropbox. So first you'll start by creating a new slideshow. So you'll click this plus button at the top of your screen. Then once you've hit the plus button, this drop down menu will come down and you'll select a template. I usually select the white one right there. Then this screen will appear and you'll have these options along the side and it'll just be blank. To draw, you will use this button right here, and to change the color you'll use this button right here. So this is the eraser, and you can kind of click around to see what the rest of them are for, but these two are your main purpose for this activity. When you click on the pen and hold it, then this menu appears and it allows you to select the width. This obviously will be a skinnier pen and this will be the fattest pen. So skinny pen, fat pen. Then once you've adjusted the pen size, you can select a color, and down here if you press and hold on one of the colors, this menu will appear. When this menu appears, select a color, use this to adjust how light and dark you want it, or how opaque or bold you want it, and then draw your picture. When you're done drawing your picture, that will be your time to record. So you'll click this red record button down here, and when you record it, you'll hold it to record and you'll press it down. You'll see the numbers on this start to record, and you'll record your voice. When you're done recording, you'll hit this record button again, and then you can press this play button right here to listen to it. Once it's recorded to your liking, then you can move on to the saving step. If you don't like the way that it recorded and you would like to re-record, then you'll have to go back to 0. You'll have to click this and scroll back to 0, and you'll have to click the record button again, click yes that you do want to overwrite, and then you can re-record. And you'll go through those same steps. Click the red record button and the red record button to stop it, and then play to listen to it. Once you are all recorded and your project is ready to be published, you can go on to the saving step. When you go on to the saving step, you'll want to click on this button down here, the one with the arrow going in and out, and this menu will pop up. You'll enter your project name right here, and by clicking on this, and then the keyboard will appear. When you're done naming it with your name in the name, you'll click the Export To button. After you click the Export To button, you'll need to make sure of a few things so you're saving it to the correct place. Along the bottom, it gives you a number of areas where you want to save the files to. This time you want to save it to Dropbox. The next thing that you want to do is make sure that it's saving in the correct format. This will save it as a video, this will save it as a PDF, so you wouldn't be able to hear anything. This would save it as an image, so you also wouldn't be able to hear anything. And this will save it as a project. Since we are combining all of these, you'll want to save it as a project. So again, make sure that the Dropbox is selected down here. It should be the only one in color. Make sure you're saving it as a project, and then you'll want to find your teacher's folder. Once all of those things are selected, you'll click on the folder that you'd like, and then you can click on Export. Once you click Export, your Explain Everything project will be saved to Dropbox, and I recommend checking Dropbox to make sure it actually appeared there. You'll have some time that you'll need to wait while it downloads, so just make sure your screen is active while it's downloading. Enjoy Explain Everything!